It's easy to say, but never the same. That is real for sure. But you know what? There are manifestation techniques which is easy, but you can also do it easily. And in this video, I'm going to share with you that how you can manifest your dreams with your desires, your dream job, your anything you desired once you want to manifest. And in this video, I'm going to share with you the one most important manifestation technique which is going to help you to manifest all of your dreams, all of your desires. But in this video, I'm going to share the do's and don'ts as well. And you know what? I manifested with this technique. And you know what? In this video, I'm going to share with you about the mistakes which I made so you don't have to. Okay, and you know what? I was able to manifest the desire I wished for. But उसमें मैंने थोड़ी बहुत मिस्टेक्स भी करी थी, सो दैट आई नो दैट आपको कौन सी मिस्टेक्स नहीं करनी है उसके बारे में भी मैं बताने वाली हूँ. द डूज एंड डोंट्स आई एम ऑल्सो गोइंग टू शेयर विथ यू पीपल. So if you have promised to yourself that you want to manifest your desires, then let's see. So hello beautiful people, welcome back to It's Your Cup of Tea, Master Manifestation by Khushi. I'm Khushi and here I talk about manifestation, affirmation and self-growth and helps you to vibe better in this shimmery world. So if you are someone who wants to attract positivity, confidence, abundance and a better life, then do subscribe to this channel for yourself. And if you also enjoy tarot guidance, tarot readings and spiritual messages, you can check out my other channel named Ethereal Guidance 4444 as I am a tarot card reader too. The link is in the description box. Check out there. This technique is very easy to do. The easiest technique we can say amongst all the manifestation techniques, because this gives you the surety that this will become real as well as this will become the truth. जो भी आप विश कर रहे हो वो हो ही जाएगा. ये इतना श्योरिटी के साथ आपको रिजल्ट देता है. And this technique is about scripting, writing the letter to universe. But the mistakes, the process and do's, don'ts, उस सब के बारे में हम यही वीडियो में देखेंगे. So watch till the end to know that how you can manifest all of your desires. Yes, all of your desires through this. And you know what? This technique is really very easy because this is the easiest, right, among all of them. But it requires your energies. It requires your focus. So watch this video with full of focus, so and only so you can manifest. Okay. Now writing a letter and writing a script to universe is very easy. Most of the people can do it easily. But we are going to discuss the steps now, the process that how you have to literally manifest by scripting, by writing a letter to universe. So the first and most important step is knowing your desire, the first priority. You know what? I made the mistake was writing so many desires in one script, in one letter. That is the huge mistake which I made. One of my manifestation got true. Yes, it got true. But I was not able to got all that which I manifested because I did wrong. And that's why I'm going to tell you the real experience of mine as well. Okay, but not the whole, because I will not share the whole story because then this video will become so big. So I don't want that much. Okay, I'm going to tell you the key points about my mistakes and the experience I had. Okay, so for the first and most important step in each and every manifestation, not in this but in each and every manifestation technique, is to finalize your desire, the first most important desire you want, right? The first priority you want. Yes, and after you get to know which is the first most priority, when we go to time period, okay, after you are clear with this priority, which desire you want to manifest first, don't mix all of your desires in one letter, in one script. Otherwise you will get only one of them which you don't want, or maybe you wanted later on. Okay, of course we want, that's why we wrote that in the letter, but जो हमें पहले चाहिए, ठीक है, वो शायद हमें बाद में मिलेगा if we do this, right? So what you want, the first thing that you have to be very clear, and that on that topic you have to write the whole script. That should be the topic of the script. Okay, I'm saying that should be the topic of the script. Okay, when we write letter, there are the subject, and the subject of the letter should be that desire. Okay, now let's just talk about the second most process. The second step in the process comes is this letter writing is not random. Yeah, many people do it randomly, but if you write on a specific time, which I'm going to tell you, then it will help you a lot when we manifest. For example, when we manifest on a random period, on a random day, on a random time, what happens? We start from neutral, okay, neutral gear. And when we manifest on the specific recurring, that time of period which I'm going to tell you, that time the manifestation will start from the first gear. Yes, that is the difference. So if you're starting from neutral, then it will take little bit more time. And if you are starting from the first gear, it will go, it will be quicker, right? That's why I'm saying to do this on a specific time, on a specific period. And what is that specific period? In each and every month, that date which is similar to the month. For example, 1st of January is 1/1, right? First date and first month is 1/1. Now 2nd of February is 2/2. 3rd of March is 3/3. That is that the March is 3rd month and the date is 3. So if you write a letter on the 3rd March, okay, then it will be the manifestation journey will start from the first gear, right? The recurring number will help you almost in your writing, in your manifestation journey a lot. So that is the point when I'm taking. Write this. If you don't understand, then please comment. This is very important step, okay? You have to write the letter, the script on a recurring date. अब वो recurring date क्या है? As I said, we have 12 months, okay? तो 12 months में जो भी महीना अभी चल रहा है, this is June when I am filming myself, I'm shooting myself, okay? So इस month में हमें कब लिखना था letter? We have to wrote this letter on 6/6, that is 6th of June. Okay, तभी 6/6 होगा, right? So अभी 7/7 आने ही वाला है on 7th of July. So if you guys write a script, write a letter on 7/7, that is 7th of July, then it will help you almost like a speed. As I said, it will start in a first gear. Okay, so this is the most important step. Nobody right now is talking about this, so I thought I manifested this way, so I should. Nobody right now is talking about this. The recurring dates, the recurring months, the recurring period comes every single month. Okay, now for example, you can write the letter to universe every single month on the date which is equivalent to that month. For example, if you want to write a letter in the August month, okay, then what you can do is, August is the month of the number. You have to count the number of the months, and on that date you have to write the letter. That is on August. If you are writing in August month, then you have to write on 8th August. So it will be 8/8, right? So on that day you have to write it any time of the day. Okay, then it doesn't mean that you have to write 8 a.m. or 8 p.m. or 9 a.m. No, you can write a letter to universe at any time at the recurring date. Okay, that is the second step. And you know what, if you will do the second step, you are almost closer to get the desire you want. Okay, because we are very sure that what we want to write, and we are writing on the time period as universe will give us quickly, right? So that is also very good, very important, very nice. We are starting with the first step. Okay, now the third and most important process step is you have to write the letter. अब वो लेटर कैसे लिखना है, फुल ऑफ पॉजिटिविटी. Start the letter with the thank you note, with the gratitude para means paragraph. Okay, first of all write that thank you so much universe for giving me everything. So for example, if I am writing, then what will I do? I will start with a thank you, the gratitude paragraph. Okay, thank you universe for always being with me. Thank you universe for always giving me whatever I wanted. I'm your favorite child. I'm Khushi. I'm writing this, and you can write everything in the gratitude note which you are grateful of. Okay, the first paragraph should be of your gratitude paragraph. Then comes the second paragraph. In that paragraph, the subject comes. What you want, whatever your desire is. Now, for example, if we take, only for example, if we take that I want to earn 25 lakh rupees. Okay. From, even you can write the process. Like if you are working on a project, if you are working on any of the work, you are business, if you are in a business and you are working on any project, if you are a freelancer, you are working on a project, or if you want to pass the competitive exam, any kind of competitive exam, in whichever phase of life you are, you want to manifest whatever thing. First of all, be clear from here that what you want to manifest, and then just write that I have this. Thank you so much for giving me this. Thank you so much for giving me the blessings for this. Right? I have this right now in my life, and I'm much more grateful from you. Thank you so much, universe. And that should be in the present tense that you bought. Okay? तुम्हें मिल गया वो. वैसे लिखना है लेटर. That you are basically writing a letter to universe as a grateful note कि मुझे मिल गया. Thank you so much. I received it and I am writing this letter only to grateful. I'm writing this letter. So you're writing this letter. We are writing this letter to be grateful to universe that we got this. That is simple as it is. Okay, and मतलब बेसिकली जो लेटर लिखते हैं वैसे ही हमें लेटर लिखना है. फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ, सेकंड पैराग्राफ, एंड डोंट गो इन द थर्ड पैराग्राफ. ओके, अकॉर्डिंग टू मी सेकंड पैराग्राफ बड़ा भी हो सकता है, आप लिख सकते हो. एक ही चीज लिखो, बट बहुत सारी चीजें मत लिखना. एज आई एम टेलिंग यू, बार बार बोल रही हूँ कि जितना आप ज्यादा लिखोगे उतना ज्यादा मिल नहीं जाएगा. ठीक है, आपको कोई एक ही चीज लिखनी है और उस पर पूरा का पूरा फोकस करना है. वही सब्जेक्ट होना चाहिए. ठीक है. देन कम्स द लास्ट स्टेप एंड दैट इज साइनिंग. हम कभी भी किसी को भी लेटर लिखते हैं, हम एड्रेस पे लिखते हैं, बट यहाँ पे एड्रेस नहीं लिखना है, यूनिवर्स में ओके. सो हमें सिर्फ नाम लिखना है. एंड यस, वो तो लिखना ही लिखना है दैट आई एम योर फेवरेट चाइल्ड. ओके, एंड ग्रेटफुल होना है, थैंक यू लिखना है. जितना हो सके उतना ग्रेटफुल बनो, बिकॉज ऑफ कोर्स यू नीड. देन as if we got it in the present tense, we got this. Okay, like that you have to write whatever your desires. If you are manifesting a love partner, a romantic partner, then you can write like, thank you so much for blessing me with such a good partner in my life. I have him, of course, because I want a man, so I have him in my life. Okay, and I'm so much grateful that whatever I wished of, I have him, such that like you can write all the traits you want in that person. You can write the qualities of that person. You can write each and every details you want, right? And you have to write as if he is like this, he is like this, okay, he is like this. So you have to say, so basically up to point you have to write in the present tense and as such if you have got that, okay. सिर्फ आपको thank you बोलने के लिए letter लिखना है, that is it, okay. and ये letter लिखने के बाद सच में वो चीज हो जाती है. With me it took only and only around 30 to 45 days. Yes, सिर्फ 30 to 45 days में मेरी manifestation come true हो गई. I did this in 11/11/2024. Okay, 24 में मैंने किया था 2024 में 11th month मतलब कि नवंबर की 11th डेट को. And this became real. I'm telling you this. And this is real. होगा ही होगा. You don't have to lose the hopes. अब इसके साथ आप क्या क्या फील करोगे उसके बारे में आपको अलग से चिट्स बनानी है, ओके. एंड while you are writing this letter, you have to keep a glass of water aside. In that add salt, okay, नमक ऐड करो एंड उसे बाजू में रख दो before writing this letter. This is very important. अब जो यहाँ तक पहुंचा है उसी को ये बात पता चलने वाली है, ठीक है. ये जब मैंने मैनिफेस्टेशन टेक्निक की थी तब ये सब किया था, ठीक है. तो ये आप भी करो, ये होगा, ठीक है. You have to write the glass of water and in that you have to add the salt. Salt will absorb the energies. Right, we are writing the letter so positively with full of hopes and we are grateful for all of this, right? So that salt will absorb the water. अब आप थोड़ा सा भी सॉल्ट यूज कर सकते हो, ज्यादा भी कर सकते हो, बहुत ज्यादा मत करना क्योंकि आपको सब कुछ हो जाए उसके बाद वही पानी पीना है, ठीक है. सो आफ्टर दैट यू हैव टू ड्रिंक दैट वाटर, ओके. तो बहुत ज्यादा सॉल्ट मत डाल देना कि पूरी एनर्जीज नहीं थोड़े से सॉल्ट में भी काम हो जाएगा, ठीक है. सो प्लीज थोड़ा सा ही सॉल्ट ऐड करना. एंड विद दैट यू हैव टू मेक 6 चिट्स. चिट मतलब उसमें लिखना क्या है, आपको वो लिखना है जो आपको वो मैनिफेस्टेशन मिल जाएगी तब आप फील करोगे. If you are writing about if you are manifesting a love partner, तो आपको वो कौन सी 6 फीलिंग्स होगी वो आपको उस शीट में लिखनी है. जैसे कि लवेबल मतलब लव, देन हैप्पी, ग्रेटफुल, ब्लेस्ड, ठीक है. फीलिंग्स लिखनी है, ओके. देन इट कैन बी एनी, जो भी आप फील करना चाहते हो और जो आप फील कर रहे हो, हैप्पी, सेटिस्फाइड, ओके. वो 6 चीजें आपको 6 शीट्स में लिखनी है. एंड दैट शुड बी fold that paper, the letter towards you, okay, and even the chits towards you. And उसके बाद वो एक safe place पे रख देना वो सब कुछ, ठीक है. And after that you have to just thank you so much universe and you have to drink that water. बस इतना ही करना. अब वो पानी पी लेना and you are done. You have done the scripting, you have done the letter writing, you have done the grateful letter writing. Okay, so this is the process. And now comes the do's and don'ts for this trick. The do's is always be positive, always be hopeful, always be happier, always be, always right when you are manifesting in the present form that you got it. And you have to be also, आपको हमेशा ये लिखना है that you have to write everything. हमेशा आपको present tense में ही लिखना है when you are manifesting something. This is very important, okay. Then this is it, okay, for do's and for don'ts. As I shared already, सब कुछ कंपाइल मत करो, ठीक है. सब कुछ एक ही लेटर में लिख देती हूँ या लिख देता हूँ, नहीं. कुछ एक ही चीज लिखनी है जो आपको सबसे पहले चाहिए. Keep this in mind. I'm telling you this for the 5th or 4th time, right, in this video, because this is very important. Okay, in the do's you don't have to do that, and also you don't have to do the self negative thoughts. Like मैंने manifest कर दिया love partner, अब मैं ऐसे सोचूंगी कि मुझे तो ये मिलना ही नहीं है, मुझे मिलेगा या नहीं मिलेगा, मैंने कोई गलती तो नहीं करती है करके, या ये वो, ऐसे मैं सोचूंगी नेगेटिवली, राइट? देन इट विल नॉट बिकम ट्रू. सो इफ यू वांट योर मैनिफेस्टेशन टू बिकम ट्रू, you need to be 5000% sure कि मैंने लिख दिया, अब वो मुझे मिल ही जाएगा. That should be the attitude you have. Okay? बाकी तो डोंट्स में ऐसा कुछ है नहीं, ठीक है? नेगेटिव नहीं होना है. और डूज में और एक चीज़ है जो मैं भूल गई. डूज में वही है दैट यू हैव टू स्टार्ट लिविंग विद दैट थिंग दैट यू हैव हिम. लाइक व्हाट आई मैनिफेस्टेड, व्हाट वी टुक द एग्जांपल कि मैंने लव पार्टनर मैनिफेस्ट करा फॉर एग्जांपल. तो अब मैं ऐसे वो स्क्रिप्ट करके, अब वो मैं ऐसे ही आई एम लिविंग विद दैट थॉट दैट आई हैव हिम इन माय लाइफ. बस, yeah, this is that simple. And this is the full scripting process. It's easy to say, but never the same is somewhat true, okay? But when you write, it will be easier for you to do. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much for watching this. And if you want to manifest much more things, like if you want to manifest good job, good marks, or your lover, or anything, then I have already made so many videos on how to manifest. Okay, you can manifest by simply writing for 100 times. You can manifest with the help of AI. You can manifest by so many tricks I shared already on this channel. So go and check out that videos if you are interested in manifestation techniques. And yes, one more thing, I'm a tarot card reader too. So if you guys want to book your personal tarot reading, or you want any personal guidance in your life, in your career, in your any section of your life, then yes, I do take personal tarot reading through website, and the link for the website is in the description box. And I have one more channel named Ethereal Guidance for my tarot reading, okay? So you can even go and check out for tarot videos, tarot guidance, tarot predictions, okay? So I see you there, okay? And yeah, comment that when you are going to do this in the upcoming date, or when you are seeing this video, वो भी बता देना मुझे, ठीक है? So yeah, this is it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like this video and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. I see you next time, and don't forget that now it's your cup of tea.